Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 138/67 Chevelle. She's got a 427 under the hood, and it's backed up by a Richmond 6-speed. Man, this thing is absolutely beautiful. It's got a Stinger hood. It's a burnt orange with a real fine metallic in it, and it is looking beautiful. I tell you what, the restoration on the car is absolutely gorgeous. All the body lines are lining up looking slick. All the polished is looking great. And look at those Cragars wrapped around BFGs, looking good. And look at the interior in this beauty. Gorgeous. Black carpeting, and take a look at that center console. And yeah, that's a 6-speed hooked up to that Hearst shifter, looking good. Man, we got seat belts in the back, and looky there. Even the dome light's working on the back side of that console. Headliner's looking good. Dome light up there and the headliner's working. Dash pad's looking sweet. Check out the dash itself. Everything looking great. All the chrome looking good, or the upholstery's looking great. This is one beautiful car. I tell you what, I can't get over this color. I tell you, pull into any car show, you don't have to worry about another one painted the exact same color as this beauty. This thing is sweet, man. Tail panel all blacked out. Got great looking chrome back here. We got the 427 badge back here looking sweet. Now I'm in trouble. There are a bunch of keys here. Who knows which one of these opens up the trunk? I'm gonna take my best guess here. Nope, not that one. Hey, second try. Look inside there. Looks like a brand new car, doesn't it? She is a beauty. Look at all the paintwork right down to the finishing touches here. She's a beauty. We got great looking paint on the bottom side. Even the lips on the deck lid are looking good. You can see the latch has been all restored, looking good. All the bright work here is looking good. She's gorgeous. Look down the side. Absolutely straight as an arrow. That door's fitting good. That interior just looks great. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car. Right now we have a little over 200 cars in stock, and we're bringing them in from all over the country. As a matter of fact, I just got back from the West Coast on a buying trip. We brought back 6 cars from the West Coast just this week, guys. We're bringing them in every day. Now, Tom's answering his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day, so you can call anytime you'd like, and he'll tell you anything about this car or any of the cars we have in our inventory. Because the first thing we do when we get a car in is get it up on a lift and inspect it so he can answer every one of your questions. So give him a call anytime. Now, I've been in the business for about 35 years, so I'm using that experience every day to help you park your dream in your drive. Let's go for a ride. Got big block power, 6-speed shifter, bullet hood. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are shipping experts. We can ship this beauty anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you. You don't have to do a thing but call Tom. Tom will take care of all the paperwork. He'll take care of all the shipping. He'll even help you out with financing if you want some help with financing. Listen to this beauty, man. She sounds amazing. Tell you what, you head down the street to a car show, you're gonna have people following you when you get there. This is one beautiful ride right here, guys. Now we are right outside the Motor City. We're very close to the airport. We got a little over 200 cars in stock at all times. So we'd love to have you come out and visit. Check out the dash here. We got the speedo working down here. We got the clock down here on the center console. I would not rely on it to keep perfect time. The 6-speed, man, is amazing. Love shifting gears, making that exhaust talk. And I tell you what, there's nothing better than a 6-speed to make a big block Chevy talk. Downshifting, upshifting, just having a blast. Now we are about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this beauty up on the lift so you can see just how beautiful the bottom side is. And I'll tell you what, this one is gorgeous on the bottom side. Now here's our shop here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna put it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Chevelle now. Man, she's pretty under here. You can see that it's got a brand new gas tank on it. The rear end has got aftermarket lower control arms on it. And on the brakes, the guys will go completely through the brakes, check everything out. You can see that it's got brand new brake lines. It's got aftermarket upper control arms. It's got fairly new exhaust system on it. Looks like brand new springs on it. 373 gear in here, and it's got a Posi unit in it. Looks like it's got a fairly new drive shaft in it and brand new U-joints. Looks like the U-bolts are also new. You can see that it's got like a bed liner material on the floorboards. Real nice, real easy to keep clean. Looks like the frame's been painted up. It looks like it's got a stainless steel brake line going from the front to the back. Also looks like it's got a stainless steel fuel line going from the front to the back. Everything under here is nice and clean. The exhaust system's 3-inch going front to back. It's got a custom cross member here holding up this Richmond 6-speed. Man, that's cool. You get this thing in high gear, get on the expressway, and away you go. It's got an explosion-proof bell housing. Very, very cool there. Lower control arms are all painted up, looking good. Springs look like they're fairly new. The shocks also look like they're fairly new. We got disc brakes up front. Ball joints also look like they're fairly new. Bushings on the sway bar also look pretty new. The frame's all painted up here. The frame also looks nice and straight up here. Fuel pump looks like it's fairly new up front here. Also, we've got the filter up here looking like it's fairly new. Aluminum radiator up front. Core support also looks like it's new. Balancer on the front of the motor looks like it's new. I mean, everything about this car is beautiful. Chrome on the front bumper's looking sweet. Cragars look like they're brand new. Tires are definitely brand new. 215/70/15s up front here. Paintwork on the frame's looking good. Pinch welds looking good. Backside of the rocker's nice and clean, nice and smooth. We got 275/60/15s on the back. Those Cragars are looking sweet, man. I'll tell you what, she is beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got 454 power. We got great looking aluminum valve covers that have been all polished up, looking sweet. We got power brakes, power steering. We got an aluminum intake. That's an Edelbrock intake. It's got a Demon 4-barrel carburetor on it. It's got electric choke. Let's see what kind of distributor it's got on it. It's got a billet distributor on it. Looks like a blaster coil back there. It's got big tube headers. Looks like some Taylor spark plug wires. The inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. The firewall's nicely painted. Everything about this thing is nice and clean. We got a brand new AC Delco battery, a nice aluminum radiator here. All the hoses are looking sweet. All the wiring's looking sweet. We got a fiberglass hood here. The hood hinges have been coated. The springs look like they're brand new. I mean, everything about this car is absolutely beautiful, guys. Take this thing anywhere. This is an award winner. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.